Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 21. Today's we are going to discuss about the content. Why you need the content. You know very well that people are always search each and everything on the Google or the search engines. Either it's a Google or MSN, whatever search engine. Okay, fine. We always use the Google as a search engine because Google is the best. Okay, fine. Let's suppose if you need anything like iPhone, like gadgets, like if you need a book, if you are not if you have forgot something like address or something like that, so you always search on the Google. Let's suppose if I need iPhone 6s Plus. Okay, now as you can see the Google showing me the results. So iPhone 6s Plus is a keyword first of all, and this is the website ranked on the first position on the Google first page. Okay, fine. We also have some other results, so you can see some other results. Okay, let's suppose if you want to target this keyword, then definitely you have to use the content related to this iPhone 6s Plus. Like if you click on the link, so as you can see iPhone 6s Plus, if you right click inspect element, so now as you can see this is the H1. So we'll discuss about why. So this is the keyword, and also they are using the H1 in the keyword. So this is the necessary if you are targeting a particular keyword. We will discuss about the keywords, title, descriptions in our later lectures, but for now, so now as you can see the same keywords available at the title. So iPhone 6s Plus, if you right click view page source, descriptions, so now as you can see you have the same keyword iPhone 6s Plus available in the descriptions. So as you can see iPhone 6s Plus descriptions, and also as you can see the keyword is iPhone 6s Plus. So you must have the keyword in the title, descriptions, wrap up in the H1. So we'll discuss about this one, but for now you also have some kind of other results. Let's suppose if you open this local brand, which is the Pro Pakistan. Okay, fine. So now as you can see they have stuff, they have content related to this keyword. They have some other content also. As you can see, they only have the content, the specific content related to this keyword, because they are the first person which used this keyword. So that's why they have ranked on the website, and GSM Arena is very popular, and they are using they are following the Google's rules and regulations. Okay, now as you can see they have some kind of content like this. They have a lot of content here, like this is the content, and all these are the content in the written format. So the more content you have the written format on your website, that means you have the more opportunity to rank on the website, to rank on the Google's first page. So you must have the unique content. Let's suppose they are also using this content. So how can you rank on the first position? To achieve the first positions, to beat these website or your competitors, you must have the unique content. So that's why we always generate, or we always hire a particular or a person which is a content writer, which generate or which write the content according to your need and according to the SEO for your website. Let's suppose if I have the Shexy.com. So this is the website. If I open this one, because we are just focusing on the video format, so that's why we don't have the content written in the written format. It totally depends on your website, on your need. Let's suppose if you are a blogger and you are posting the blogs on daily basis, then definitely you have you have a lot of content in the written format. As you can see, this is the website, and if you click on the best smartphones, so I have a lot of content here. So as you can see, a lot of content in the written format. That means the more content you have, the more chances to achieve your goals or to rank on the website. So I think this is enough for today. If you think we forgot something, just tell us via message or by sending or by leaving a comment, so we will update our courses. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.